guys, today I am gonna be doing videos about slimes. So what we're just doing is just taking everything off so it's all clear. So the first one we're starting with is this one. So it is called the Chocolate Nosy Putty. So that means that it's fast because it's a chocolate and it's noisy and it's a putty, by the way.
We got unicorn sweet
So-
putty.
So it is really cool. It stretches apart whenever I try to stretch it. It stretches apart. I don't know what I just said. So let's go into the next one.
We're gonna look at this orange jiggly watery slime.
Yeah, that. Ooh, shit.
No.
Oh my god.
Hey, Bailey, you want a foot? Hey, Bailey?
I'm going to tell you warning everything.
Now our yellow jiggly watery slime.
You can play with that. So now as we finish with that, we're going to put that over there. And our next contestant is this glow in the dark. So it says glow in the dark slime. So let's just get this, pop this open.
Okay. This is
That
the
would be
pink.
hard.
This
So,
used to be pink, but now it's grey.
so when you do this, it's really clear. You can see that. Whoa.
The grey.
It's really cool. So now let's put this back over
Like
here.
a
Sorry guys.
slime. It's just the
So
same.
this is really... Get out of my way.
It's just the same, but it got screen with that in it.
So it's really cool. And so guys. Okay, we're coming back to this slime in a few minutes. So our next contestant is these two blue slimes. Now it is these blue slimes, which is
Our
literally.
last one is green glitter slime.
So our next one is this green glitter slime. Look at that, my bub. It's really good, my bub. So let's
Now
let's
we're gonna
just-
start
let's
the squishy.
nuts!
let's
start on
just
Go along, Mommy!
I have to start that all over again, you shithead. Put it back, shithead.
Put it back, bitch!
I'm trying to make a video here for this little cunny bitch. Now I have to start all over again.
Hey, my bag's going!
okay, doesn't matter because of that. So our next one are these ones. Get out.
Why are you in the video? Get out!
Next
Get
one
out!
is this one.
Okay.
Our next one is
Stop
this
my video.
one.
Go longer!
Don't come in my video, bitch. Don't come in. Get away! So we finally got it open.
What?
Go along, you bitches!
So let's get this
Big
out.
shithead.
Whoa, look at that!
Okay.
Holy.
First, we're gonna start with our 3 jiggly slime. Well, like water.
So let's put this one away and
We got
let's
the neon
get
slime.
started with this one.
Okay. Neon. Actually, I need
So
to
which
start.
one haven't we did? Okay.
Yeah.
We did this. So it's really cool. Oh damn it! I
Now,
got another
I'm
one.
gonna start with the 3 watery jiggly slimes. First, I'm gonna open the Yeah.
So our next contestant is this black one.
There, see? Jiggly orangey slime. Second,
Yucky.
now we're finished with that. Second, I'm gonna open the
Look at that black.
Yellow.
I see. I feel so
jiggly
good.
watery slime. Yeah.
Okay. Yuck.
This is it.
So guys, it doesn't stick to your hair. Wow.
And
it doesn't stick to your clothes.
We got another yellow slime.
Oh
That's the
yeah.
same.
See? Look at that. So I'm gonna put it on here. Hold on. Ready?
Now we're gonna start off with a glittery slime.
Look at that.
First, I'm gonna start off with the green slime.
Okay. So now let's just put that in there.
That's what it looks like. The green slime.
So our next contestant
Now
is
we're gonna
our next
start
slime is
Right.
this one,
Silver glittery slime, but it used to be pink.
which is our second
It's
last
changed into black.
slime. Let's get this out. Your mom.
What?
Your mom.
Fuck up, dumb bitch. What are you saying?
Your mom.
She's saying your mom.
Yes, I like your mom. So
Okay. We are finished
our next,
with these ones.
Oh,
Now
he can see
we're
me.
gonna do these.
Oh,
Gonna do a jelly red slime.
Yucky. So next is the last
It
one.
has a surprise in it, and it's a little spider. It's a little spider.
So when you put the lid back on, it literally has the smiley eyes. So let me just put it on and then I'll show you. When the smiley faces are actually, when the smiley eyes are actually there, I actually thought that it was like on in the slimes. And here, by the way, there's a thing.
We got putty slime. Putty.
2-ton putty, don't swallow it, made in China. So now our lucky last contestant. Hey guys,
And the last one is unicorn poo putty. It's pink.
so what I'm just doing is I'm just trying to put this on because something went back here. Okay, it doesn't matter about this slime, so I'm gonna let this dry. So our last one is this galaxy slime. Let's see what it says. It says galaxy slime. Age 5 plus.
We are finished with
So
all the
let's see if it's
slime.
made.
We are finished now.
Okay, it doesn't tell us where it's made. Maybe it's special. It might be made in Galaxy World. And so-
Now
when are we gonna go to school?
Now we're gonna do squishy slime.
Get my books.
So,
What the
it's,
fuck? You just ruined the video, Marley.
so now we're just gonna. I do it like
Come on. Fuck
it's
off. You want me to do this?
a thing.
Fuck me.
Okay, now
No,
we're
leave
finally finished. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our video.
I'm
video.
doing this, y'all.
I hope you enjoyed it, and also please put a like on if you like it.
Fuck off.
Bye. Hope you had a good day. Mwah.
Whatever.